Hey there folks, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got an important topic to discuss. Fatty liver. It's something that can affect anyone, so stick around as we explore the signs, symptoms and natural ways to keep your liver healthy. So what exactly is a fatty liver? Well, it's when fat accumulates in your liver cells, and it can happen to the best of us without us even knowing it. One of the tricky things about fatty liver is that it often doesn't show any symptoms in the early stages. But as it progresses, you might notice fatigue, unexplained weight loss, or abdominal discomfort. You might also experience poor appetite, weakness, or confusion. Now, let's move on the exciting part. How to naturally cleanse your liver and keep it in tip-top shape. First and foremost, hydration is key. Drink plenty of water to help your liver flush out toxins. Eating a diet rich in fruits and vegetables provide essential nutrients and antioxidants that support liver health. And say yes to leafy greens, berries, and foods high in fiber. Reduce your sugar and processed food intake. Your liver will thank you. Oh, and please don't forget about the green tea. It's loaded with antioxidants that can help protect your liver. Regular exercise is another crucial element. Aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity most days of the week. And of course, avoid excessive alcohol consumption. Your liver can only handle so much. Finally, get enough sleep. Your liver does its heavy lifting during those nighttime hours. So there you have it folks, the signs and symptoms of a fatty liver and some natural ways to keep it clean and healthy. Remember, your liver plays a crucial role in your overall health, so take good care of it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for joining us today, and we will see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy.